Hi there, and welcome. In this guide, I'll show you how to publish an article in Propel's story funnel. Whether you're adding a single article or uploading multiple ones in bulk, Propel makes it simple and efficient. Let's dive right in. To get started, navigate to the pitch section in Propel and select Story Funnel. Once you're there, click on Add New Card to open up the options for adding your articles. If you're adding an article manually, click Create Card Manually. Enter the name of your pitching initiative and the journalist who wrote the article. Under the Select Story Funnel Status dropdown, choose Article Published. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the URL of the published article. Propel will then automatically pull in key details about the article for you. For those who want to customize even further, clicking Advanced will allow you to view and add or change additional details such as the type of coverage, UMV, Moz Score, and more. If you have multiple articles to upload, you can do so in bulk by clicking on Import Articles from CSV. Simply download the sample CSV file using the link in the description and create a similar file containing your article details. And that's it. Whether you're adding articles one at a time or uploading them in bulk, Propel's story funnel streamlines the process, making it easy to track your media coverage. If you have any questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to contact our support team or visit the Propel Knowledge Base for more helpful resources.